Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and the day has finally come to celebrate 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, sincerely. Thank you to everybody who helped me get to this point. First and foremost, make sure that you're subscribed so that you know when the live event for the actual giveaway takes place. When's that going to be? It's going to be this Saturday, May 1st at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is going to be a live event. We're going to be giving this stuff away live. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. And it's going to have to be a long live stream. Anybody who's joined my live streams in the past where I give stuff away, you guys know that it can get chaotic, trying to give stuff away at certain intervals. So yeah, it's going to be at least a 2-hour event, shooting for 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. This Saturday, May 1st. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you're ready to go. This is the entry video. How do you enter? I'll tell you here in a sec, but first off, there are some rules. Number one, you absolutely 100% must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. No exceptions. Number two, you can only win one item. So if your name gets drawn for an item, that's what you've won. If your name somehow, like by some random chance, actually gets drawn again during the live stream, we're going to have to pick another name. Number three, you have 1 week to claim your prize from the time that I draw your name. So it's going to be a good idea to be in the live stream to know right away if you've won. Number four, you must be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. So if you live outside the continental United States, you can still enter and win, but you'll need to provide me with the shipping address of somebody that actually lives inside the continental United States, somebody you know, somebody you're friends with, you know, family members, something like that. Somebody from the knife community you trust, I can send it to them and then they can work out how to ship it to you. I don't want to leave anybody out, right? By the way, this is not just for members of the channel. It's not just for patrons. This is for everybody. If you're watching, you can win. And we've got a ton of amazing stuff to give away. So before we go through everything, I'm going to go through everything that's going to be given away because we have some awesome stuff here. How do you enter? All you need to do is leave a comment right down in the comments section. As per usual, I'd like to know which of my videos you decided to you watched and then decided to subscribe on. Which video got you to subscribe? That's always fun to read. I love going through and checking out everybody's comments on, you know, stuff like that. So just leave a comment right down below. Leaving multiple comments isn't going to do you any good. The program I use to pick comments filters out duplicate users. So I guess if you want to leave 20 comments, you can, but it's only going to count for one comment. So do that right down below. Oh my gosh, we have some amazing stuff to give away. I want to thank Kyle, I want to thank Scott, and I want to thank Zeke for donating some amazing things. We're going to go through everything that's going to be given away here. By the way, sorry about the title card or the thumbnail. I know it's confusing and misleading, but certain thumbnails get people to click, and I really wanted people to come in here and click on this video and know that I'm going to be doing the giveaway. So make sure that you share this video, let other people know this is the entry video. I want this going out to as many people as possible because the live event should be absolutely insane. That's what I like. I like crazy live chaos. It's just fun that way. It's pure, it's real, it's just, it's fun. I love everybody being in there. So anyways, what do we have to give away? We have the Olight Mini Warrior, which is very cool. This was something that was donated. This will come with the battery and, of course, a little charge thing, magnetic charge thing. We have the sort of Balisong tool. It's the kinetic tool from Artisan Cutlery. This is pretty neat. This was another thing that was donated, and I've actually been wanting to check this out myself for the channel. So you'll get a full review on this item, absolutely. But I thought that might be fun. Thank you so much to the person who donated. We have the Spyderco Roadie, which is cool, and it's got this nice little click. It's not a lock, but it does have a nice click in the closed position, the mid stop or the half stop, whatever you want to call that, and then the open position. What do we have for the steel? I think it's N690. Yeah, very cool. We of course have the infinitely popular Civivi Elementum. This one's sporting carbon fiber and stainless Damascus, so I know somebody's going to be really happy about that. We have the H&K and Hogue Exemplar in 154 cm and the Able Lock G10, and then these sort of traction inserts. This is a really, really cool knife, and I actually gave it an extremely positive review. It's one of the earliest knives that I reviewed, one of the first knives I reviewed on this channel a long time ago. Really, really cool. That's definitely not an inexpensive knife, so that's really cool. We've got the Cold Steel SRK-C or SRK Compact, which is awesome. I don't think this has actually really been used all that much. I think that that mark is just from being in and out of the sheath, because the edge is absolutely flawless. This is a brand new fixed blade. A beautiful fixed blade, absolutely. So I think somebody's going to be really happy with that. By the way, this stuff will all come with the packaging that it came to me in, right? So pretty much everything here came with brand new packaging. You're going to get that. Moving on, we have the DLT Trading exclusive Formax Scout in DLC OS 10A, and then the OD Green injection mold plastic. This is a massive monster tank of a knife. This thing is such a mega pounder of a knife. This is something that DLT sent in, and I decided, hey, I think this is going to be cool. I think somebody's going to really enjoy this, so I'm definitely going to give it away. I love this. If you're a big fan of overbuilt knives, this is definitely one to add to your collection, whether you plan to use it or just enjoy it, right? Another knife that was donated for the giveaway, this is the Kaiser Kyer. I called it something else because of the label on the box, but this is titanium and S35VN. Very, very nice. Flips well, has some nice fidget factor. We've got that little deployment hole there. These are also not inexpensive. Titanium and S35VN, absolutely very cool. Another knife that was donated, this is the titanium Wee Kite Fin. Very beautiful, very, very thin behind the edge. We've got that nice flamed pocket clip. We've got some bronze ano on the inside of these bowls here on the pocket clip, bronze ano on the hardware. Really, really nice. Again, brand new, really cool. Thanks again to the person who donated that. I think that was Scott. Moving on, another really cool exclusive. So this is a Spyderco PM2 Warncliffe. These are gone now. These were limited to 900 pieces. This was donated by my buddy Ricky, which I didn't mention actually in the video when I was thanking everybody. He donated this for the giveaway, which was really cool. Black G10, S30V, and an extremely functional Warncliffe blade. Yeah, somebody's definitely going to be happy with that. The Benchmade Bug Out in carbon fiber and S90V. This was sent to me direct by Benchmade. This is brand new. It'll come with, like I said, everything that, a brand new knife generally comes with from Benchmade. This is also not inexpensive. These are about $255, something like that. I know there are people out there who just, are drooling over the carbon fiber S90V Bug Out, and I'm more than happy to give this away. A lot of this stuff, that was donated, I was tempted to keep, but it's more fun to give it away, right? I know you guys want me to talk about the last two. Those are the two like major grand prizes. We have the Vero Engineering Synapse. I know what these go for on the secondary market. This was donated by my buddy Zeke from Patreon, and it was just an incredibly generous donation. This is titanium and the black, or it honestly looks gray, micarta. And then we have M390 that's running on bearings, titanium clip. Yeah, these are very, very sought after, and this one is absolutely perfect. It's beautiful. This is it's not the XL. This is the smaller guy, but still definitely a full-size knife. I think this is going to make somebody extremely happy. This is beautiful, and a lot of people are after these right now. Got that nice little area back there to do the reverse flick. Nice hand rub satin blade. Very, very beautiful. And then obviously the final knife, the winner of the whole voting poll and everything like that. If you guys don't know, about, I don't know how long ago was it, a month and a half, something like that. I asked everybody, I said, hey, I want to give away a knife valued at $500 or less. Any knife in existence, doesn't matter if it's available or not available, I will hunt it down and get it for you. And I did multiple videos asking people again, hey, this is kind of where we're at. What do you guys think? And tallying up all the votes, after the final poll, which is still listed in my community post, the knife that you guys collectively voted on the most, to my surprise, was the Sebenza 31. And I went ahead and jumped on a version that was actually a little bit more than $500. This is a single silver lug, Sebenza 31 with black micarta. This is brand new. This is a $550 knife. It does come with a box. It comes with the, the tools. It comes with everything. Brand new. I bought this from a retailer, and these are scarce. I think this is probably the best looking Sebenza 31 that I've ever seen, but somebody's going to win this, and I think it'll make you, I'm hoping it'll make you really happy. This was the main big thank you from me. I couldn't, there was no part of me that expected people to donate so much stuff for the giveaway. I started out with just 5 items, and the idea was to be able to control the live stream and give something away every 10 minutes and have it be about an hour event. But because of the amazing generosity of the community here, on my channel and just the knife community in general, we have a whole bunch of stuff to give away. So there's going to be a ton of winners, right? People keep asking me, is it just one person that's going to win everything or multiple? It's going to be multiple winners. Like I said, your name can only be drawn once. Yeah, everybody's got a chance to win something. And in any case, just being like, I do my best to make my live streams just fun and wacky and ridiculous. So in any case, it'll just be a really, really fun hangout. So I invite you to, once again, come hang out with me and everybody else this Saturday, May 1st at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Come hang out, have a good time, kick back, watch some, knife content, celebrate, right? This is for you guys. And you have a chance to win something. Thank you so much to everybody. This is just bizarre. It feels like we just did. Every time I do another giveaway, because I do them at the 10,000, at these little 10,000 intervals, right? And it's like, I feel like I just did this. And I say the same thing every time because I can't believe how quickly this is growing. It's amazing. I have you guys to thank for it. You guys watch, you guys subscribe, right? The channel's doing great, and sincerely, thank you so much. I love doing stuff like this. I want to give stuff away. I'm glad that it makes you happy, but I'm glad that you guys love coming and enjoying and just being, just being here. The live streams are evidence of that. You guys like to come and hang out, talk with each other, talk with me. It's just a blast. So thank you. Thank you for letting me do this. Thank you for, allowing me to be a knife content creator. I've never had more fun doing anything in my life. This is just a blast. So thank you guys so much. Hope you guys are excited. Either way, if you're excited, if you're feeling positive, right, for whatever reason, please leave a like. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video or you're pumped for the live stream, you're pumped for the giveaway, right, for whatever reason, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.